Here at TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a slick 250-gallon tank rolling out shop today. This one's going on man Richard down in the great state of Texas. We love all our Texas folks, and Richard's got quite the slick rig here, and I wanted y'all to check it out before it goes. Now, this is our standard 250 model. So when you call us up, say, hey, I want your basic, ain't nothing basic about TMG, all right? Your basic 250 model, this is what you get right here. Fold down stack, on the skids, fully insulated firebox. So let's check her out here. Now this starts at $74.99, all right? On a single axle trailer, you're gonna be around 10 grand. That's not a lot of money to get into a badass rig. So double door, you get the Tell True thermometers, stainless steel accents, full bottom grates, dual sliding top shelves there. Got the fire poker in there as well, of course. We got all of our three-dimensional hand fabricated handles, hinges, stainless steel accents. Of course, the really nice patina. So we do the patina finish as standard. That's, you pick your tank, do 3 coats of high gloss automotive clear coat. I said on our skid package, which also has a bunch of fabricated pieces, it really looks slick. On the firebox here, we do a fully insulated firebox. When I say fully insulated, I mean the door is insulated. Got an interior pipe, it's wrapped with insulation, and the front of it is also insulated as well. So holds heat really well, very easy to manage, runs great. The fold down stack, that's staying on every tank smoker. Fold it down, you got a little wing nut that'll lock it in right here. Ball valve grease drain, of course. Guys, that is our standard 250-gallon tanks. Hey, if you want one of these bad boys, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.